Hey guys, and welcome to Zonos Crypto. In this video we'll take a look at the latest news about BTC, BitGo, Acala, and also many more of today. Okay, then let's get right into the market watch. Bitcoin is coming in at 23,770, Ethereum under 1900, BNB at 315, Cardano at 55 cents, XRP at 37 cents, Solana at 43 bucks, Polkadot at $8.7, Avalanche at 27 bucks, and Polygon at $93 cents. Okay, then the largest movers in the last 24 hours are Dogecoin with 8%, Anchor with 5%, Filecoin with 3.8%, and Chiliz with 3.3%. And largest losers are Celsius with 18%, Convex Finance with 7.3%, Lido with 7%, and Kava with 5.44%. Overall, we are down 1.03% over the last 24 hours. Okay, before we start right into the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you will not miss anything in the future. Now then, let's get right into the first news of today. Expansion of short-term BTC holders suggests final flush of sellers. Short-term holders expanding their BTC holdings indicates that heavy sell-offs have taken place. A recent spike in short-term Bitcoin holders could signal a final flush of sellers, meaning the capitulation events have played out, leaving the market ready for months of accumulation. The latest, the week on-chain report from market analysis firm Glassnode on Monday points out that short-term holders have expanded their holdings by 330,000 BTC since May's catastrophic Terra collapse. As a result, they may be the canary in the coal mine, signaling the path to market recovery. If we look at the tweet from Glassnode, after a dramatic capitulation event, the ownership structure of Bitcoin has been reshaped. As market sell-off, BTC migrates from weaker hands to those stepping in at the lows. Here we explore how to track this migration of coins using H-bands. This to Glassnode and the BTC news. Now something interesting about BitGo. BitGo to sue Galaxy Digital for $100 million termination fee. BitGo has announced it will seek legal remedies against Galaxy Digital following the investment firm's decision to terminate its $1.2 billion acquisition deal without paying a fee. If you have watched the video yesterday, you will see the statement of the Galaxy Digital CEO and what he had to say about the acquisition. What are the key takeaways? Galaxy Digital announced today that it was ending its merger agreement with BitGo today. BitGo intends to sue Galaxy, arguing the investment firm owes it a $100 million termination fee. Galaxy suffered a $554 loss in the last financial quarter. This to BitGo suing Galaxy Digital. Now to Acala. Acala stablecoins near $1 peg after community burns 1.2 billion AUSD minted by the exploiters. Developers said trace reports were underway to identify the transactions performed by the 16 wallet addresses connected to the exploit. Acala's native stablecoin AUSD came close to regaining its peg to the US dollar after the Polkadot-based decentralized finance platform burned over 1.2 billion AUSD tokens that were minted by the exploiters over the weekend who took advantage of a bug in one of the platform's liquidity pools. They burned about 1.292860248 AUSD. Launched earlier this year, AUSD successfully held its soft peg to the US dollar until the hack. After the attack, the price of AUSD plunged from roughly $1.03 per token to $0.009. The peg was nearly regained Tuesday following the token burns, reaching 93 cents at the writing time. Sucks for Acala, to be honest. They definitely did a great job, and then there came the exploit. Well, at least they almost regained their peg to 93 cents. This is also quite nice to see. And yeah, let's just hope that nothing else will happen for them in the future. Only more positive things. Alleged Tornado Cash dev suspected of facilitating money laundering. The Fiscal Information and Investigation Service declined to confirm the identity of the suspect, who is believed to be Alexei Pertsev. The Dutch Financial Crimes Agency that last week arrested a 29-year-old developer in connection with cryptocurrency mixer Tornado Cash said that he is suspected of involvement in concealing criminal financial flows and facilitating money laundering. What is Tornado Cash? It is an app that obscures Ethereum transactions, which has made it popular with traders who want to maintain their privacy. But the US government has said that the project repeatedly failed to impose effective controls designed to stop it from laundering funds for malicious cyber actors. And the Office of Financial Asset Control (OFAC) added dozens of crypto wallet addresses to its sanctions list on August 8th. The FIOD confirmed in a press release last week that it made an arrest in connection to Tornado Cash, but declined to confirm whether the person in custody is Alexei Pertsev. Exactly, these were the things, or the new things about Tornado Cash. Let's see what else will get out of this, let's call it, interesting money laundering company. Okay, now to Brazil. Brokerage giant with 3.6 million clients launches BTC and ETH trading. XP Inc. has become the latest Brazilian fintech player to offer crypto trading services, following Nubank and Mercado Libre. The news was broke in a Monday post by the Nasdaq exchange Twitter account, noting that XP had rung the exchange's opening bell to celebrate the launch of the X-Stage digital assets trading platform. Initially, XP Inc.'s 3.6 million clients will have access to Bitcoin and Ether trading, but the broker told Cointelegraph back in May that there were plans to support other digital assets and investment products based on crypto assets in the future. This is quite nice that at least Bitcoin and ETH trading is getting enabled. The top 10 coins might follow as well, like, for example, the top 10 would be BNB, ADA, XRP, Sol, and maybe Doge, or Polkadot as a real top 10, because Doge is a meme coin. No hate to the Doge community, it is a meme coin, you know it as well. So let's see what else will happen there, and I will keep you updated on the brokerage. BBC chairman reportedly invested in a crypto firm founded by Russian oligarch. Richard Sharp, a former banker who is currently serving as the chairman of BBC since February 2021, has reportedly been using an offshore company to invest in a cryptocurrency-related business founded by a Russian oligarch. According to The Guardian, Sharp used a company registered in the Cayman Islands to invest in a cryptocurrency-related business called Atomize. Atomize is established in Switzerland by Vladimir Potanin, a well-known Russian oligarch. The BBC chairman reportedly invested in Atomize back in 2019 using a company called ABCP GP Limited, registered in the Cayman Islands. Atomize is a platform that leverages blockchain-based technology to allow users to trade commodities, more specifically metals produced by Potanin's company. So it is a scheme. Okay, very interesting. Fresh trouble for South Korean banks over Bitcoin kimchi premium trades worth 6.5 billion. South Korea's integrated financial regulator, Financial Supervisory Service (FSS), is reportedly investigating domestic and commercial banks after detecting a significant amount of illegal overseas remittance transactions. Over the last few weeks, banks' role in facilitating kimchi premium traders to enable fast money when trading volume rise has been under intense scrutiny. It was earlier speculated that these financial institutions were used by individuals and corporate players in addition to multiple suspected domestic shell companies in a bid to transfer funds in and out of the country to fund significant kimchi premium arbitrage efforts. The regulators have now claimed that the amount of kimchi premium trading conducted could be around $6.5 billion. Yeah. Sucks to be South Korea right now. Okay, well, they did it, so it's their beer. Now to the last news of today. Yeah, let's get into the last news. Jump Crypto plans new Solana Validator client to boost performance. Decentralization. The Solana Foundation and Jump Crypto are teaming up on the project to provide more stability to Solana. After the 8 outages, it were 8, right? If so, then please leave a comment down below and correct me if I'm wrong. Stability and also the running time should be ongoing and not disruptive a lot more. So this is absolutely understandable that such a partnership is getting implemented. In an effort to improve the decentralization and performance of the Solana network, Web3 infrastructure developer and investor Jump Crypto has partnered with the non-profit Solana Foundation to create a new additional validator client for the blockchain platform. A new open source validator client called Firedancer. It is intended to coexist alongside Solana Labs' existing validator client, which is based on the Rust programming language. For example, once deployed, Firedancer may help avoid a supermajority of the validator stake being held by Solana Labs' single client, and could also help with network stability should either validator client encounter future issues. Exactly, this were the news of today. If you think the video was useful to you and you've learned something new today, then please leave a like, subscribe and also the notification bell so that you will not miss anything in the future. While you're already here, also check out another video. These are all fine. Also something about the Cardano Vessel hard fork. I wish you a wonderful day, night, morning, wherever you are, and also, as always, stay safe out there and we'll see us tomorrow. Peace!